Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to diagnose a blower motor on an ICV Imperial convection oven. Alright, right now we're looking at the back side of this oven. I've already taken most of the screws out here. They're going to be 1/4 inch hex head screws. There'll be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, one on each corner. Okay, and this is the cap that holds all the electrical in place for the motor itself. So first thing you're going to want to do is take off all these screws. All right, so once you have that cover off, you're going to notice a cluster of wires in here. Okay, the red is going to be your high speed, so when the motor is set to run on high. The black is going to be your low speed, so when the motor is set to run on low. And then you're going to have this black and orange wire inside here that's going to act as your common. So that's going to be the main power coming in. All right. You also have these yellowish white wires. Sometimes they'll be white. They're supposed to be yellow. And that is going to be your centrifugal switch. So the first thing that we're going to do with all these wires out here is we're going to turn on the unit. So make sure all those wires are free from the edges. You don't want anything to short out. So once we have the motor on and the motor is running, we grab our meter and we set it to volts. That's going to be AC volts. All right. So once we do that, you're going to put one lead of your meter into the common. That's the orange and the black. Okay. We have this motor on high right now, so we're going to put the other lead into the red wire nut, just like this. Make sure it's making contact with the wire itself on the inside, or at least the metal on the inside of the wire nut itself. So if we go to our meter, we can see that we're reading 120 volts. So if you have your switch in the on position and you're getting 120 volts here with the motor on high, but the motor's not spinning, you can be sure that you have a bad motor. Okay, and if you want to check it on low, the same exact thing. When the switch is set in the front to low, you'll go across the common and the black wire here. Right now we're not going to read anything because the motor's set to high. So if the motor's not spinning and you're not reading anything on the switch that you have it set to, then you have a power issue somewhere. But if you are reading voltage at those terminals and those wires and the motor's not spinning, that means that your motor is definitely bad. And that's how to diagnose a motor on an Imperial ICV convection oven. I hope this video helped you out. We'd like to hear what problems you've had with your equipment, so comment below to let us know. Also, we're always uploading videos to our channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.